Hello and welcome to another episode on Easy-Peasy Foodie channel. Today we are making a delicious, wholesome dish with roasted carrots, parsnips, beans, and the creamy potato sauce. Step 1. Start by cutting the carrots and parsnips into similar sizes, straight onto a baking sheet. Drizzle with olive oil, sprinkle with salt and black pepper, and toss to coat. Roast in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 50 minutes, giving them a mix halfway through. Step 2. While the vegetables are being roasted, heat some olive oil in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Mince in a clove of garlic and let it release its fragrance. Add the diced onions and saute for 3 to 5 minutes. Next, toss in the diced bell pepper and cook for another 3 minutes. Then add the cooked chickpea and kidney beans, followed by the spices. I've left the exact measurements in the description section. Pour in the vegetable broth, season with salt and black pepper. And cook until most of the liquid has reduced. For step 3, we're gonna make the creamy potato sauce. Peel the potatoes, cover with water and cook until tender. Drain but keep some of the cooking water aside. Add hot cream, butter, concentrated vegetable broth, sweet soy sauce, salt, and black pepper. Blend until completely smooth. If the sauce is too thick, loosen it with a little of the reserved potato water. Now to plate the dish, spoon the chickpea and bean mixture into the center. Add the roasted carrot and parsnips on top. And finish with the creamy potato sauce. Garnish with green onions, fresh peppers, and dill. For extra flavor, I topped it off with my homemade chili oil and green herb oil. You can find those recipes in the description section too. And that's it, a beautiful hearty dish packed with flavor. Don't forget to check the description section for full measurements, and if you enjoyed this recipe, give this video a like and subscribe for more easy, delicious meals. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.